Dear students, welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of the sequence, logical mathematical sequence. 7 plus 3 is equal to 271. Next sequence, 2 plus 9 is equal to 128. 5 plus 4 is equal to 250. Now we find the answer of sequence 6 plus 5. In first sequence, multiplication of two terms 7 times 3. Second sequence, multiplication of two terms like this 2 times 9. Next sequence, multiplication of two terms like this 5 times 4. Multiplication of 6 and 5. Multiplication of 7 and 3 is 21. First term digit 7 is right between two digits. Answer of first sequence is 271. Multiplication of 2 and 9 is 18. First term digit 2 right in them between digits of 1 and 8. Answer of this sequence is 128. Multiplication of 5 and 4 is 20. First term digit 5 is right in them. Digit 5 right between digits of 2 and 0. Answer of this sequence is 250. Multiplication of 6 and 5 is 30. First term digit 6 is right between digits of 3 and 0. Answer of this sequence is 360. Answer of this sequence 6 plus 5 is equal to 360. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक शेयर और कमेंट कीजिए. सबस्क्राईब टू माय चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. प्रेस द बेल आयकॉन.